Welcome back to a new Hobbii tutorial. In today's episode, we'll have a look at how to crochet the mistletoe from the Solstice Garland. The pattern is linked in the description box and it's absolutely free to download, so go get it! Alright guys, for this pattern we'll be using some Friends Cotton 8/8, a crochet hook size 4mm, that's a US size G6, a scissor, a tapestry needle, and some stitch markers. So let's start. Grab your yarn and let's begin working the first leaf of our mistletoe, and we will start off with chaining 23. When we begin working on the first leaf, what you want to do is you want to make 2 double crochets in the first stitch from the hook. Then we're going to continue by making 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Then 3 double crochets. Lastly, 3 single crochets. Now we will move on to our second leaf. We're gonna chain 9. Then we're gonna make 2 double crochets in the first stitch from the hook. We're gonna make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Three double crochets in the following and 3 single crochets. Finally, you will work on the mistletoe stem. You will slip stitch into the next stitch, and this is the 12th chain you made at the start. We're gonna make 11 slip stitches, chain, and then fasten off. Once you're done with this, we can start working on our cute little berries. Now we're gonna be changing color for our berries, and we're gonna start off by making a magic ring. We're going to continue by making 3 single crochets into the magic ring, and we're going to pull the ring tight. We're gonna join our last single crochet to the chain we made at the start. Make one more chain and then fasten off. We're gonna sew in at the end, catching the stitches as you go around to form the berry shape. Last but not least, we're gonna sew on the berries where the leaves meet. And if you want to make it a little bit more festive, of course, you're welcome to embroider a dot of gold on each berry.